Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will show you my action game that is needed for project IT project in IDN boarding school. My name is Novel Anafi, and today I will show you the demo. First, the gameplay. So when you start the game, there will show the IT Scratch project and IDN boarding school, and then the logo of the game, and there is some features on the main menu, which is if you click the question mark button, it will show you this how to play the game. Like if you are controlling the blue player, which is the player one, and the red plane is the player two. So the controller are in the image like this, and this is when you are playing in co-op. This is when you are playing in solo, and this is when you are playing in co-op. Also, the control on blue on player one is different from player red. Okay, this will make a transition like that. Nah, and you can only make the info if you are clicking the question mark button. So you need to play. If you want to play, you click this. There will a transition to spawn the solo co-op button. If you play in solo, you need to shoot the asteroid. If you die, you will need to reset the clones and make another one. So it prevents a bug. And okay, now if you are playing in co-op, if you want to play in co-op, you need two player or two person to play this. So to shoot, you need to oh, okay. If the player to die and player one also dies, one of each the player die, the game resets and game over. Because you cannot die, but yes, you need to protect each other from dying. Blue can also die, but since uh, features where you can only protect the red. So the blue asteroid will slowly disappears if you are only playing with red. If you are playing with red, so the red can play solo. Okay, now I will show you the code. Here is the code for the main menu. So when you are starting game, it will make a clone. Where is the clone will be the start like this, scratch and voice center like this. This control with one sprite which is script like this. Like there is a player and main menu in here. This is the control for the player. Player one, the control like here, the A and point in direction of mouse pointer. This only for point in direction, but I'm really lazy to make the easier one, so I make this. And this is for halt. Halt have this sprite for the halt. So how it works? It will detect the position of anything of player like what, and it will forever get top of the player or asteroid like that. This is using this the list variable the how to detect it. It will detect if there is something like item 1. This will write the position, and the hot sprite will detect the item like position and what. As you can see, this is the position of player, and this is the it will detect and will put the in the asteroid sprite also. Okay, and if get back to menu, it will delete this clone and anything like that. Okay, now get back to main menu again. There is some like touching asteroid. They will everything this is will to control the clones. And if you see something like this is for transition, like ghost effect and more, like that. This is for transition. This is for the play button. Like it will get bigger if you are touching the mouse pointer, making a hovering effect. And this is for the toggle effect. So if you are clicking this is off because you didn't click. This is will get on. The algorithm is pretty easy. If the toggle play button on off, then set the play on off to on. I like something like that. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, now there is another. This is for making the halt for the player. If you don't put this, you cannot put a halt in top of the player. And now in above, this is uh, when closing. So it makes a transition like this. When you are clicking solo, it will make transition. This is also same. If you are co-op closing too. The difference is this. This is for controlling. So if there is not the clone, it contains player and like that. Or can broadcast. After transition, you need broadcast. Okay. This. And now this is when you clicking the help button. This will spawn the information and things. How the information sense when you are hovering with the air. So it looks like this. Red, blue, red. It just literally says put the custom name of the clone into the variable. So the clone info will switch its custom to the variable. This. Okay, right. Next, go to the asteroid. And in this asteroid, this have a pretty hard because I watch in YouTube for this. Okay. So it will switch custom to when in co-op. If we want to make a blue color and red color, we need this. Switch custom to join co-op pick random 1 to 2. So it will switch co-op 1 or 2, 1 or 2, and like that. And this is for waiting for screen refresh. So wait 0 seconds for screen refresh. And this is repeat until the condition is losing. If it's loose, then it will reset and stop the script. And this is for controlling the asteroid, like the halt, the speed, and the custom again. And now in here, this is when the ballot is touching the asteroid. This will make a explosion effect. If the halt is below and will make a sound asteroid explosion. Yes, this also will make a halt. The bang, bang, the bang is in here. This will easy, and this works also like the halt. This will make the flash boom, flash boom, flash boom, flash for a small asteroid like this. asteroid. Nah, and if the player die, it will repeat many times. This also works like out. Said it will make a change ghost effect for transition also. And now, let's get up to asteroid again. In asteroid, how the asteroid can get into the like random position but in the edge. So how it works, it will set the direction to pick random minus 180 to minus to 180, so it's 360, and it will point in direction dir. This variable, the variable will set the pick random and point in direction to the variable dir and move minus 350 steps. Why do we need the direction? Because we also need to change direction by random when you are making the asteroid get smaller. Asteroid explode and direction will change like this, and the speed also gets more faster. If more smaller, more faster. Now this is to show the HUD, and if custom number 1, this is for controlling if the player is player 2 and player 1 or something like that, and enemy head in here will detect the color of the asteroid. This is for condition losing and delete this clone. Okay, and then this for the sprite. Okay, here this will set the asteroid custom to custom name, and this is for transition and more. Okay, now the last sprite in this game, which is score. Score will this is not needed. Yeah, then this will for easy example explanation. This will repeat and create the correct clone of myself and change number it. Number ID is like there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Number ID is like this is same clone, but the number ID is different, so you can control one of each of them. So when I retrieve solo, is also same. And also in here, this is the will switch the custom to letter number ID of score. So the letter number ID will switch the letter number ID. For example, number ID this is 1, 2, 3. So this is 2. 2 is the number ID number 2, and letter 2 of if the score is 456. So this is will show the letter 5. We'll switch the custom to letter 5, and this is a clone. So you display a score in real time if you are using the forever. This is for also for transition, like when you are changing the score change, it will look like bigger and smaller. It's pretty cool. Okay, and I think that's all. I will show you the costume, and for the clowns, why did the costume of the clowns is different? Because I use it this block. Switch costume to clone ID. We'll switch the costume to desired name, like the play button. The play button. This is play. This is co-op, solo, blue, red, blue info, competition player, and ballot, help, boom, flash. This is not needed last week because I want to combine this and this, but don't work. Okay, and for logo, everything, all is And also for the score, which is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. You can make more than 100 digits with the. And for the HP semua untuk like this, and boom effect like this, boom boom. Okay, and I think that's all for the game. Thank you for watching the video, and also I want to show you uh this is a Serai also very pretty hard. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.